Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 system. In the first step, just go to search bar and type your settings, then click here to open it. Once we are here, just scroll down on the left side and select privacy and security, then just scroll down and select microphone from the apps permissions. So select it and we need to enable this option, microphone access. Then close this window and go to search bar, type here services. Then from here we need to search for performance, logs and alerts. So here it is. You can double click on it to open it, then select this and select automatic. We need to set startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK. So once done, select start, and so this service is running right now. Now close this window, then go to settings and from system we need to just scroll down and click on about, and from here you need to click on advanced system settings, then select hardware and click on device installation settings. Now select no and click on save changes, click on OK and close this. Now go to search bar and type in device manager, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to expand sound, video and game controllers. So expand this driver, right click here, select properties, go to drivers tabs and click on update driver. First of all, we will use this first option. Click here, this will install the latest drivers. Now close this, again click on driver updates, select second option, click on here, select this and click on next. So select as. Now the Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now close this window one by one. Now in the final step, go to search bar, type in settings. On this window we need to click on troubleshoot, then just scroll down and click on other troubleshooters, and from here we need to simply go to playing audio and click on run. This will try to detect the problems or it will try to resolve them. Simply we need to wait for some time to complete this process. Once done, we need to just select S. So troubleshooting has completed, click on close and check this box, click on apply and then OK. So that's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go.